Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Level Up Learning. So guys, we are learning about articles. You must have watched in the last video that I explained about articles. Now today I am going to show you how to use the article "and" before the words. Now using article "and" we have to understand certain rules, and there are some exceptional cases. Like we use article "and" before the words where the beginning sound is with the vowel. For example, there are some exceptional cases using "and", like you, and "va". Now the word European begins with the letter E, but when you pronounce the sound is "y". So I will not be able to use "and", I will say a European. A second example, university. University begins with "y" sound, university. So this is a "y" sound. I will not be able to use "and". I will say a university. Similarly, a uniform, a unicorn. Second example which I am going to take is about the word one, that is "va" sound. O-N-E, one. We write as O-N-E, one when we pronounce as "v". So "v" is not a vowel sound. So I will say I saw a one-eyed man. I have got a 1 rupee note. Because "v" is not a vowel sound, I cannot use "and" over here. I will say "a". The next one is talking about the silent letter H, where the second letter is a vowel and the beginning letter is the silent letter H. For example, I cannot say honorable, I say honorable. So I will use "and". Next is honest. I don't say honest, I say honest. We'll use "and". Let us learn one more exception of "and". Now here we use "and" before the words or the abbreviated words or the degrees which begin with M. There are certain degrees and there are certain posts which are abbreviated and they begin with M, like MP, MLA. These are the posts. The degrees MBA, MA, MBBS doctor. Because M, when you pronounce the letter M, it is a combination of A and M. It's M. So here I am allowed to use "and" as an article before the degrees or the post which begin with M and are abbreviated form. For example, he is an MBBS doctor. He is an MLA. He is an MP. He is an MBA student. So guys, keep learning, keep watching. Bye bye for now. Thank you.